My name is Alias Nayan. I'm doing political science in GC University Lahore in sixth semester, and I am aspired to become a CSP officer. Now I'm going to talk about some little events, some things which have make me to stand over here and to tell you about my introduction, my experiences, my events. First of all, I did my metric with 93% marks. After getting so much good marks, I got scholarship in Spirit College, a private institute in the Jhan. And over there, I studied hard. I do work hard working with. Then I got 92% marks in FS Spring Engineering. After doing that, I was so much confused what I have to do, whether I have to become a doctor, whether I have to become engineer, or what I have to do. There was no exposure, no experience. Then my elder brother Uzair have gave me advice that you have to do CSS. Whenever I heard that word, I was having no idea what is this. I thought it is a degree, just like a computer science degree or other degree. Then he said, no, it is not a degree. It is the exam which you will do after passing that exam. You will become an officer of 17 scale. Then I said, oh, okay, good. Then he said, to pass that exam, you have to do political science or IR, international relation. That will be beneficial for you. I said, okay. Then after that, I got admission in GC morning, but in the interview I was not selected. Then I gave interview in the evening, but in the evening GC University Law I get admission. But on the other hand, I also got admission in PU in Canadian University as well, IR, but I rejected. Okay, that's great.